Welcome back, readers. So you've finished reading the article, you've chunked the text, and you have some boxes and bullets in your notebook, and now you're ready to use them in order to create a brief summary. So, how are we going to use our boxes and bullet strategy to share a summary? So I'm going to go ahead and just share a summary of the introduction of the article, and then you're going to use all of your boxes and bullets in order to create a quick, brief summary of this entire article. So I'm going to take a look at my two boxes and bullets, and I'm going to make sure that in my summary, I at least get the main ideas, because that's the most important information of the article. And then, to make my summary a little bit more interesting but not too detailed, I'm going to pick one or two supporting details to share with my summary. And because our summaries are going to be brief and short, you want to quickly share all of your main ideas from your boxes and bullets and maybe a couple supporting details to make your summary a little bit more interesting. And then your summary will be finished. So here I go, friends. The bullying article we read in reading is about how bullying is very common. 70% of people have seen someone being bullied, and 1 out of 3 people say that they have either been bullied or they have bullied someone. We also learn in this article that bystanders have the power to stop bullying. Although it can be scary and it takes courage to stand up to a bully, doing what is right is more important than doing what's easy. And that's a brief summary of what our article was about today. All right, friends, it's your turn. You're going to click on the Flipgrid link. You may have to sign in using your Microsoft account, and then you're going to record a brief summary of the article that you read today. Remember, you want to make sure to include all of the important main ideas that someone would need to remember about this article, and then maybe a couple supporting details to make your information a little bit more interesting. Good luck, readers.